D.A.V. PG College Siwan. Today we shall discuss about crystallography and crystal symmetry. Crystal symmetry explains how similar atoms or group of atoms repeated symmetrically in a space to produce ordered structure. It can be studied with the help of operation that can be operated on the crystal known as symmetry operation. What is symmetry operation? Symmetry operation is an operation that can be performed either physically or imaginatively on crystal with reference to plane, axis, point within its mass. Symmetry operation achieved by rotating the crystal in particular axis. Select the plane which shows mirror image. Select the point which shows equidistance. Elements of symmetry or types of symmetry. Elements of symmetry are plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is shown in the first figure. Axis of symmetry is shown in the second figure. And center of symmetry shown in the third figure. Which are 9 in number. There are 9 plane of symmetries in the cube, which is shown in this figure. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is actually a line about which the crystal may be rotated so as to show the same view of the crystal more than once per rotation. If we rotate about this axis, the same view is shown more than once time. There are 4 axes of symmetry. On the rotation about the axis, if the same phase or same view occurs 2 times, the axis termed as dyad axis or two-fold axis. On the rotation about the axis, if the same phases or same view occurs 3 times, the axis termed as triad axis or three-fold axis. On the rotation about the axis, if the same phases or same view occurs 4 times, the axis termed as tetrad axis or four-fold axis. On the rotation about the axis, if the same phases or same view occurs 6 times, the axis termed as hexad axis or six-fold axis. In this figure, symmetry characters are shown. Symmetry characters are, in this, center of symmetry is present, plane of symmetry. In the first figure, four-fold symmetry axis is shown. In the second figure, three-fold symmetry axis is shown, and in the third figure, two-fold symmetry axis is shown. An imaginary point in the crystal that any line drawn through it intersect the surface of the crystal at equal distance on either side. just half. Center of symmetry is a point from which all similar faces are equidistant. Crystallographic axis is a set of reference axes in a crystal that are used to describe the crystal system. Thank you. In the next presentation, we shall discuss about crystal system. Thank you.